Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we shall discuss the Constitution of 1956. This is comprised by the series of four lectures. The first lecture, Introduction and Major Characteristics of the Constitution. The second lecture, about Islamic provisions. Third lecture, the federal system which was adopted as a state structure in Constitution of 1956, and fourth, the powers and functions of President. 1956 Constitution was formulated prorogued and proclaimed by the first and second Constituent Assembly, and this took more than 8 years. The first document was the Objectives Resolution, in which the direction was decided. However, controversy and difference of opinion between East and West wing political leadership delayed the constitutional process. To resolve these issues, Basic Principle Committee 1 and Basic Principle Committee Report 2 and Muhammad Ali Bogra formula was presented. Ultimately, under the leadership of Chaudhry Muhammad Ali, the Second Constituent Assembly succeeded to formulate, prorogue, proclaim and implement the Constitution of 1956 on 23rd March 1956. This was a consensus document. However, on October 1958, the martial law was imposed by General Muhammad Ayub Khan, on the invitation of the Sikandar Mirza, who was the graduate of the Sandhurst and was inducted as the first president under the Constitution of 1956, and the first victim of the martial law was the Constitution, and the Constitution was abrogated. So, असरत तो उन गुंचों पे है जो बिन खिले मुरझा गए. However, Constitution of 1956 was comprised by 234 articles, 13 parts and 6 schedules. This was, as I discussed, this was implemented on 23rd March 1956. This was a written constitution, and major characteristics. Number 2, Islamic provisions were inducted in the constitution as Pakistan emerged on the map as an ideological state, and This was decided under the leadership of Liaquat Ali Khan and Qaid-e-Azam, particularly through the objectives resolution. However, Islamic provisions were provided in the Constitution of Pakistan to to implement the ideology of Pakistan. In this constitution, the federal structure was adopted and parliamentary system was also adopted as a government system. So major characteristics of the constitution were, or general characteristics of the constitution were, it was written constitution, it was a federal constitution, Islamic provisions were also carried out in the constitution. According to this, the name of Pakistan was declared Islamic Republic of Pakistan and sovereignty was vested in God. So, it was a federal constitution and there were 5 provinces and tribal areas. East Pakistan was one province, while West Pakistan was divided in 4 provinces, and total provinces were 5. 4 provinces: Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan, and NWFP, Western Frontier Province, presently KPK. So, and princely states, tribal areas, and there were five provinces. Ordinary legislation was very simple. So, a simple method was adopted for legislation, and legislature was given final authority and power. Organization of the judiciary was there, an independent, powerful judiciary guaranteed by the Constitution was provided under Article 31 in the Constitution of 1956. Consensus Commission was also provided to ensure quality, the quality and merit for the government functionaries. Language of the Federation, Urdu. Election Commission was also provided in the Constitution. Emergency provision, Part 9 of the Constitution were provided there, these emergency provisions were widely discussed, widely criticized by the political leadership of the East Wing particularly. Bill of Rights was there, and directive principles were also included in the Constitution. So these were major or general characteristics of the Constitution and brief introduction of Constitution of 1956. So thank you very much.